My video is about getting rid of the fake browser update alerts coming from the website Mvnja.xyz. Mvnja.xyz is a deceptive website that proclaims to be Chrome update release, some Chrome update alert. In reality, it is not related to the Google Chrome browser. This pop-up Mvnja.xyz is extremely malicious because it tries to force people into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extension. The name of the extension may be different depending on the original settings and depending on the exact date, but all these extensions promoted through these fake Chrome update alerts functions as browser hijackers. When you submit some search queries, you will soon realize that the results are delivered by some other unwanted search engine, such as Bing, Yahoo, or some other search engine that has not been selected by you initially. All these changes, all these alterations into the way the browser operates take place because of these fake Chrome update alerts. So you should not trust them, and if any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions like that. Now, to make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I strongly advise that you research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching the system with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.